Where is the train station? What time does the train leave? Which platform does the train depart from? How much is a ticket to Paris? Is this the train to Bordeaux? Does this train stop at Lyon? Where can I buy a ticket? Is there a direct train to Marseille? Can I use this ticket for the next train? Where is the ticket machine? Is the train delayed? Where is the waiting room? Is there a luggage storage here? How long does the journey take? Can I get a refund for this ticket? Where is the restroom? Is there a restaurant or cafe here? Which train goes to the city center? Is this seat taken? Can you help me find my platform? I need a ticket to destination. Is there Wi-Fi on the train? How often do the trains run? Where can I find the timetable? Is this train express or local? One way or round trip? What time does the next train leave?